Looking for a dependable replacement part that fits your Fisher Paykel appliance perfectly? These OEM authorized straps, part number 420978P, offer a straightforward solution to common appliance issues. Whether you're tackling a repair yourself or want to ensure your appliance stays in top shape, these straps deliver exactly what you need without any guesswork. From personal experience and verified customer reviews, swapping out the old straps with this OEM replacement is surprisingly easy. Many users have shared how the installation was quick and painless, with the straps fitting just like the originals. One customer noted the replacement solved their problem immediately, highlighting the reliability of this genuine part. Even when some found their original straps still intact but disconnected, these replacements provide peace of mind with a fresh, durable fix. What you get with this OEM part is a precise fit for various Fisher Paykel models, backed by the brand's trusted quality. No need to worry about compatibility or performance. This strap matches the original design exactly. If you're ready to avoid the hassle of appliance downtime or costly repairs, this replacement strap is worth a look. Try it when you're ready and get your appliance running smoothly again.